Hello and welcome guys, it's me Junaid Iqbal and you are watching Tech Eagle YouTube channel. In today's video, it's very special video because in today's video I am gonna show you how to update your Play Store manually. In many old mobiles or in sometime in new mobiles, Google Play Store is not updating automatically. In today's video, I am gonna tell you two ways to update your Play Store manually. If first will not work for you, second will absolutely work for you. So if you are interested in this video, let's jump into the video. So for updating the Play Store manually, first you have to open your Play Store application. Here you have to click on the profile icon. Then click on the settings button. Here you have to click on about option. In about option, you will find an option of Play Store version. And if your Play Store is not updated, you will find a update Play Store button. So click on it. If you will click on it, it is saying that Google Play Store is up to date. If you are clear that Play Store on your phone is not fully up to date and Google Play Store is showing this pop-up, you have second option. For second option, you have to open this website. I have provided the link in my description. After coming on this website, you have to search for Play Store. After this, you will find this page. Click on this. And here you can download latest APK file of Play Store. You have to download it and install it on your mobile. And if you want older versions of Play Store, you can also download them from here. That's it for today's video. If this video helped you, check out this playlist. This will also help you a lot. This is me, Junaid Iqbal, signing out.